How to add a music app in your TikTok account. Here's how to do it. Open your TikTok app, click on the three dots and go to settings and privacy. Click on music. Click on add music app. It says choose one music app as your default to add songs from TikTok. As you can see right here, I have Spotify and YouTube Music. So you can select whichever you want. I'm going to select YouTube Music. It's going to load and tell you to continue with your Google account. I'm going to click on my Google account to proceed. TikTok wants access to your Google account. Click on continue. As you can see right here, I have successfully linked my TikTok to YouTube Music. So that's how you add a music app on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.